Today I'm putting a new tailgate molding on this 2010 F-150. After 13 years of work, including dragging hay bales off the tailgate, the molding finally decided it was done. These tabs were the last thing holding it on, and they're all split. So, out with the old, in with the new. Let's get the tape cut and open this box and slide it out of the bag. Comparing the old with the new, I can see there used to be retainer clips on the molding, and since they're all broken off, no wonder the molding wouldn't stay on. First, remove this panel by removing the 80/30 Torx screws holding it on. Next, remove the plastic rivets by pressing the center out from below. I'm using a putty knife to remove the rivet bodies. Next, remove the broken retainer clips from the old molding with pliers. Align the new molding and firmly press it to the tailgate to seat those retainer clips. Put the plastic rivets back in. If yours are damaged or missing, you can find more at any auto parts store. Line the panel up with its holes and put the Torx screws back in. That's it. You're done. Beautiful.